Welcome to Express with Food. For this Indian dessert, all the ingredients and their measurements are given in the description box below. First, we'll start by grinding the sugar. On a low flame, add half of the clarified butter. Then add gram flour, that is besan. Now stir continuously. Make sure that you don't let the mixture stick on the bottom. Add all the semolina, that is Suji. Now add remaining half of the clarified butter. When the gram flour, that is besan, starts cooking, it tends to stick on the bottom. So make sure that you mix continuously. I'm going to give you a small tip. Don't add all your gram flour, that is besan, at once. Only add 60 to 75% of it at first. The rest of the gram flour, that is besan, we will cook it separately. Although we can cook it all together, but it becomes a bit difficult as it becomes heavier as it cooks. When it's almost done, add the cardamom powder. When the mixture becomes light in weight, that means it's cooked properly, and then you can turn off the flame. Now transfer the mixture in a large vessel and let it cool down to the room temperature. Meanwhile, we'll start cooking the remaining gram flour, that is besan. Don't need to add anything else here. You just need to mix it properly. When the color changes, that means it's done. Then let it cool down to the room temperature. Then add it into the mixture, add the powdered sugar and mix everything properly. Once that's done, start making medium-sized ball, that is ladoos. You can decorate it with the dry fruit or nuts of your choice. I am using 1 chironji on each ladoo. Or you can go nuts and add as much as you want. At this point, they're super soft and creamy. You can store it for a month and you don't have to keep it in a refrigerator. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.